Have some leftover yarn? Let's crochet a pizza slice. This is one of the fastest scrap yarn projects you can make. It takes less than 20 minutes, and you can easily turn this little slice into a keychain, a cute bag charm, or glue a magnet to the back for your fridge. Let's get started. We are starting with the yellow cheese base. Instead of working in the round, we are working back and forth in rows using double crochets. Make a magic ring, but don't close it into a circle. Just do 4 double crochets, chain 2, and turn. For every row, we are going to increase on the edges to make our pizza slice wider. By row 6, you will have a nice wide triangle. Now for the best part, the crust. Attach your brown yarn and do 1 row of double crochet increases. But to get that thick 3D crust look, we have a trick. For row 8, crochet 16 double crochets into the front loops only. Then, leave a long tail. We are going to fold this brown section over and sew it down to row 7 to create a hollow, puffy crust. Time for toppings. For the pepperoni, we are using half double crochets. Make a magic ring with 10 half double crochets for a full slice. To make it look realistic, we will also make a half slice using just 6 stitches in a magic ring, leaving it open. Sew your pepperoni on, and then take a little bit of green yarn to embroider some green peppers right onto the cheese. And your pizza is done! Add a keychain ring, a magnet, or just keep it as cute play food. If you like this quick tutorial, please hit the like button to support my channel and subscribe for more fast and easy free patterns. See you next time!